Hi, I'm Justin from T2K, and in this video we'll concentrate on transferring calls in 3CX using the new Windows Softphone. If you've already watched our video on basic call handling with the Windows Softphone, you'll already have a great understanding on how to make and receive calls. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend you take a look now before going any further. A link to the basic call handling video is available in the top right hand corner of your screen now. Okay, let's get started. You can see here that I'm already on a call with an outside party. The caller has asked to speak to Mr. Strong, so we'll explore the options that we have available to us. The first and simplest transfer option is a blind transfer. This is where we simply push the call straight through to Mr. Strong without announcing the caller. To do this, I'll click on the transfer button. Then, in the top section of the Softphone, I'll click with my mouse and start to type Strong to search for Mr. Strong. As you can see, I have two options that have appeared. Firstly, I can see his extension number, and secondly, because he's added it to his profile, I can see his mobile number. I now need to click the number that I wish to transfer the call to. In this case, it will be his extension. And now I can click to hang up the call. The outside call is now ringing on Mr. Strong's extension. Now we'll have a look at the attended transfer. I've answered a call from an outside number, and again they wish to speak to Mr. Strong. This time I will click on the attended transfer button. As before, I click in the top section and begin to type Strong, and I can see the returned results. I'll now click on Mr. Strong's extension number, and this time you'll spot that something different has happened. In the top panel you can see details of two calls. The bottom one is the outside call, who is now on hold. And above this you can see the outgoing call to Mr. Strong. When Mr. Strong answers the call, I can announce the caller to him. If he's able to take the call, I click on the join button, which is highlighted in blue, and then the call will be transferred. Let's revisit this, but with a slightly different scenario. This time I'll set up the attended transfer as before, but when Mr. Strong answers, he informs me that he won't be able to take the call at the moment. Now I need to go back to the caller and let them know that Mr. Strong is unavailable. To do this, I hang up my call with Mr. Strong by clicking the red button, and now I'll be focused back with the outside caller, who will be on hold. I'll click the hold button to resume the call, explain the situation, and then I can finish the call. If Mr. Strong had hung the call up before I did, I would have been taken back to the outside caller automatically, but with them on hold, like this. Let's now have a look at how availability profiles can be very helpful in this scenario. I've taken another call and they'd like to speak to Mr. Strong. I click on the attended transfer button, click in the top panel and type Strong to search. I can see that Mr. Strong is currently unavailable as his status indicator is showing red for Do Not Disturb. So at this point I can click on the return button and I'll be immediately taken back. But this time note the caller is not on hold. And that's it for this video. Hopefully you will now feel confident in transferring calls on the 3CX phone system using your Windows Softphone. If you found this video useful, please do click on the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click on the bell icon to be notified of any new videos as they're released. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.